Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your ultimate destination for detailed reviews on the most luxurious and innovative vehicles around the world. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Prevost Millennium, a motorhome that stands at the intersection of engineering excellence and opulent living. Built on the trusted Prevost chassis and enhanced by Millennium's craftsmanship, this coach is more than a mobile home. It is a rolling mansion designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection on the road. The exterior of the 2026 Prevost Millennium is nothing short of breathtaking. With its sleek aerodynamic profile, custom paint job, LED lighting, and seamlessly integrated storage compartments, the coach announces its presence with authority. The automatic entry steps, expansive slide outs, and large panoramic windows add both convenience and elegance. Built using high-strength stainless steel and lightweight composite panels, the body ensures durability and road stability while maintaining a refined aesthetic that exudes luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 Millennium is powered by a Volvo D13 engine producing over 500 horsepower. It pairs with an advanced Allison transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and optimal fuel efficiency. This powertrain not only delivers performance across long distances, but also provides the torque needed for mountainous terrains and extended highway cruising. The air ride suspension and tag axle steering offer a supremely smooth and responsive drive, even for a vehicle of this size. Inside, the motorhome is a sanctuary of comfort and technology. Step into the living area, and you are greeted by premium leather furniture, hand-laid tile floors, quartz countertops, and ambient LED lighting. The smart layout features a fully equipped kitchen with top-tier appliances, a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a spa-style bathroom, and even a washer-dryer unit. Climate control zones, high-definition entertainment systems, and an integrated control panel let you manage every aspect of the coach effortlessly. Technological innovation is a major highlight of the 2026 Millennium. It includes a multiplex wiring system for centralized control of lights, shades, and temperature, a digital dash display, and integrated Wi-Fi with satellite connectivity. Multiple HD TV, surround sound, and streaming services come standard, transforming the living space into a mobile media hub. Safety features include a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, and emergency braking assist, making travel not just luxurious but also secure. Storage space is thoughtfully designed throughout the coach, with heated and lit basement compartments, slide-out trays, and customized cabinetry. The onboard generator and solar power system provide uninterrupted power, while the water purification and automatic leveling systems ensure convenience and independence wherever you travel. The 2026 Prevost Millennium is not just a motorhome, it is a lifestyle. Designed for long-haul luxury and built with meticulous attention to detail, it is ideal for full-time RVers, entertainers on the road, or anyone looking to explore in ultimate style and comfort. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want to discover more about the latest in motorhomes, supercars, and concept vehicles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of automobiles.